Hi guys, this is FD for SageFi.tv once more back with another video, and today we are going to introduce or we are going to launch a new product. By product I mean portfolio, you get that right? Good. Well, in one of our previous videos we did promise that at some point when we have completed or utilized our full budget for the 2k to 100k challenge, we shall create new portfolios, and here we are, one of our future basket of portfolios. Today we introduce to you guys our 15k to 600k challenge portfolio. Yes, you heard that right. 15k to 600k challenge. Here we are suggesting that if we invest 15k, when the next bull run comes, our target is 600k. Is that possible? Let's wait and find out. Let's dive in. Guys, what I'm going to share with you here today is not financial advice. These are just my own opinions and how I'm playing the market at the moment. The crypto market is in a bear market currently, and prices are facing some serious down pressure. Some people are selling. I don't know why someone would want to sell when things are this low, but there you go, each to their own. As the markets keep facing downward pressures, what's better than double down and take advantage of some of the great prices some of these wonderful projects are available at? To make it more interesting, we are still investing in some new projects that are continuously coming out, as well as old projects that we've admired from a distance due to our valuations in the past, but those valuations have now come down a great deal. If you want to take advantage of some of this alpha, then please follow us on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is right here on the screen. This is where we post some of the most time-sensitive updates. Don't miss out, especially with this new portfolio challenge that we are announcing today. People, bear markets are when the gains are made. Bull markets is when those gains are realized or you cash out of your position. So please pay attention. Don't run away. Let's dish out some of the background information on this latest portfolio, that is the 15k to 600k challenge. Our second portfolio following our 2k to 100k challenge, which was our debut portfolio or public portfolio. Also guys, bear in mind that the 2k to 100k portfolio or this 15k to 600k portfolio, it's not my main portfolio. Okay, I do hold a private portfolio. These public portfolios, I'm just showing you some of the things that might or might not be happening in the background that I do not share publicly. Maybe in the future, when the network is grown and we've got a wider following, we may try different things where we share some of the private portfolios or some of the private positions we have within the crypto space. For now, let's stick to the public portfolios, which are just ways to share with you how we're moving within this market. For some, it might be challenging, and we won't stop doing our research. So all the positions we're going to share with you as part of either the 2k to 100k as well as the 15k to 600k, they are well researched. So don't think these are just plugged from thin air. There is research behind these. You might not agree with some of the research methods we use, granted, but we are still doing some research, and that research has served us well in certain parts. So we believe in it. We think we'll get positive results come the next bull run. Okay, the 2k to 100k challenge portfolio was for a certain group of investors, that is the small investor with limited resources, where something like $100 as an investment could be deemed reasonable or affordable. And we have about 20 positions within our 2k to 100k challenge. There might be those who are following us or watching our channel who could afford to invest in all the 20 crypto projects featured in that portfolio. That's up to them. We are not championing this. This is how we are playing the market. You've got to do your own research. If you choose to mirror, that's up to you. If you choose to do your own research, again, that's up to you. All I can say at this point in time is make sure whatever you do, use more than one set of resource. Don't just go on one video or one YouTuber's declarations and invest based on. The majority of us, we have no clue, and there are some who actually get paid to spew some of the information they share with you on YouTube. So if you follow those, be ready to get wrecked. Anyway, to up the ante, this time around we are preparing a portfolio for a different kind of investor category. Not too crazy, well, probably not just yet, but for those who have a wetter appetite for risk than those crypto investors within the 2k to 100k challenge. What about picking approximately 6 blockchains and allocate 2.5k to each of those blockchains? Not necessarily the underlying blockchain's crypto asset or token, but to pick from the layer 1 or a layer 0's ecosystem. So here it's about an ecosystem, and most layer 1s and layer 0's, you've got a fledgling ecosystem. And then for each of those, we'll pick up to 10 assets or projects to invest in per each blockchain, which means at a minimum, we are looking at $250 per project that we choose from each of those blockchains. It may yet occur that we pick 5 and allocate 500 on each coin or token within a chosen blockchain. We'll wait and see. The 6 layer 1s and layer 0's are as follows. Dotsama, which includes Kusama network and Polkadot network. There is Ethereum, of course, this is the leading smart contracts platform. Then you have Cardano, Cosmos, which is a layer 0. Then you have NEARProtocol, another promising project that we've reviewed in a few videos that we've performed in the past. And then finally, we got this one here, Ergo. This one is most likely going to be an interesting one, but here we go, because the odd thing about this one here is it is the only proof of work project we've included in our portfolios this time around. So each of these layer zeros and layer ones will see 2.5K invested in their ecosystem with a minimum limit of $250 per each pick for selected crypto projects. As usual, each selected digital asset will still be subject to our DYOR risk evaluation and the usual risk assessments to ensure that we manage the risk effectively within reason, of course. With this latest portfolio challenge, we are going to play for time. That is to say, this particular portfolio is geared for an environment where the current bear market extends to possibly several months from where we are today. So we've got an eye on the next bull run coming in mid-2024 to early 2025, which is a relatively long way away from here, but time flies, especially if you are dealing with the crypto markets, because it's 24/7 and it's always on the move. So there is never a boring period, so to speak. I know some people say when prices are not moving, it's boring. There's always something happening within the crypto space. So if you get bored, you're not doing this right. Yeah, you are probably not doing it right, because it's always interesting. With this latest portfolio, we are going to play for time, like we say. We got time and patience in bucket load. Investments could be between the next 4 to 18 months. No hurry from our part. Remember, patience tends to get rewarded within the crypto market. Our $2,000 to 100K challenge portfolio is still intact, but watch out for the latest portfolio update on that front. If the video has already been posted, please follow the links down below. If not, watch the space. It will be coming up shortly. So to sum up, we could have each of the 6 blockchains we've chosen holding up to 10 projects invested in, which gives us a whopping 60 different positions. But realistically, we envisage a situation where we are around half that number, if not less. So we are talking of between 20 to 25 positions split along blockchain and ecosystem lines, and with more than double the investment previously allocated to the 2K to 100K challenge per each position once our 15K budget is exhausted. So to date, we have identified and opened initial positions in one of Cardano's projects and one within the Dosama ecosystem, and specifically in Kusama. The Kusama or Dosama project is bit.country and its NEAR token, a token I already hold privately. I think there is already a video. If that video is not yet ready, please watch the space. That video will be coming up shortly. There is a DYOR risk evaluation video that has been performed on bit.country and its NEAR token. And the crypto token we've opened a position in Cardano is AEDA Finance, AADI Finance. This one I do not hold privately, and it also does not feature in our 2K to 100K challenge portfolio. For clarity, there are no restrictions on whether we identify projects that feature or do not feature in our 2K to 100K challenge. With this new 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, everything goes. Now, please be aware that this is how I'll be playing my strategy and not necessarily what each of you should be doing. Please do your own research, and if you do copy our investment moves here on stage5.tv using our 2K to 100K challenge or the latest 15K to 500K challenge, note that you do this at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. So part of the justification for selecting NEAR and AEDA or AADA will be reviewed in separate videos, and we've already done a DYOR risk evaluation on NEAR, like I've already pointed out, and we'll be looking at these projects in slightly greater detail. This will include the DYOR risk evaluation tool application, among other things. Another factor that has swayed our choices is that the 2 layer zeros, that is Polkadot and Cosmos, will likely perform very well come the next bull run, and we are likely to experience proper adoption of blockchain technology with these 2 layer zeros becoming the underlying base layer for Web3. That said, it is also a possibility that their respective ecosystems will likely boom as well. In most cases, it is the cryptocurrency projects sitting on top of the underlying blockchain that will do exceptionally well, hence our position and our plan. The other 4 layer ones will have had enough development within their ecosystems, and they will likely enjoy a huge amount of demand and adoption when the next bull run comes. And not only that, these 6 blockchains appear to be built for the foreseeable future and not just one cycle, therefore worth the hustle and the wait. As with the 2K to 100K challenge, we will also be doing the regular portfolio updates that have so far become a staple of the current portfolio investment challenge. That is our 2K to 100K challenge, of course. This is real money, guys, that is being invested on well-researched cryptocurrency projects by a team whose main objective is to spread the word on blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, educate, entertain, and share some insightful business strategies leveraged from real-world business strategies gleaned from decades of research and application. Now, question for you guys. Which other projects would you like us to create real-life portfolios on, and which decentralized applications or projects interest you the most on those blockchains? Comment down below and let us know your views, including any comments around the latest addition to cryptocurrency investment journey. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. Also, before you leave, don't forget to click like and subscribe. As always, smash that notification bell. Until next time, guys, please follow us on Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe. This is FD4Sage5.tv signing out for now. Bye.